Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to use new AI music generator to generate AI music for your Valentine Days video. First go to the audio, then click on AI music, then click on start and another screen will pop up to create AI music. In AI music you can select mood, theme and genre. In mood you will get 8 different types of mood like happy, sad, epic, sentimental, hopeful, funny, laid back and suspense. Select sentimental. Then in theme you will get 8 different types of theme like vlog, travels, romance, gaming, horror, sport, ads and cinematic. Select romantic for Valentine's Day video music. Then in genre, you will get only those music options which suits to the mood and theme. Here select beats or any other option. Just try it out by yourself. Then you can set tempo to low, high or normal. I personally prefer normal. Then you can create music up to 5 minutes or minimum 20 seconds. Set range according to the video length. Then you can create up to 6 music or minimum 1. Adjust the numbers accordingly. Then click on start and AI will generate music for you. It will take a bit more time to generate music if music duration is 5 minutes. Now on right side you will get your AI music. You can play them and listen them. Then click on this download mark to download the AI music. Then click on plus sign to add music to the timeline, or you can drag and drop it on a timeline. Now you can see we have AI generated music for our video. You can find the downloaded AI music under download folder in AI music folder. Now let's play our clip. That's simple to create AI generated music in Filmora 13.2. Also Filmora has launched new Valentine effects and overlay, and some of them are free to use. Check out these amazing effects. Also you will get free stickers and also you will get free text and more. Download Filmora 13.2 now and start creating. See you all in my next video. Till then stay safe. Goodbye.